Quick warning, this video intro is going to be pretty long. If you don't care about my opinions about StitchFix, go to this timestamp in the video for the unboxing and try on. You're welcome. Hey y'all, today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing StitchFix. Now, if you've been with me here on my channel, Married Life, for a while, you know I did StitchFix for about a year with not a lot of success. I was very honest in my StitchFix unboxings and reviews, and there were so many boxes that I sent back where I did not purchase anything because I felt like my stylist just wasn't listening to me. And I know this box, it's like a $20 or $25 styling fee, so whenever, even if I wasn't purchasing anything, I was still having to pay that styling fee. It just was not worth it, like compared to my Nordstrom Trunk Club or my short story boxes where I pretty much buy something every single time because I genuinely love the clothes. I'm not here just to buy stuff, just to buy it. That's not me. However, even though I was with StitchFix for a year, they never offered me the Style Pass. And if I had the Style Pass, I probably would have never quit StitchFix because that's a great incentive to keep doing these. So it's been maybe 7-8 months since I have done a StitchFix video. I'm not sure the exact number. And they finally offered me the Style Pass. I got an email. They said they would be offering me a Style Pass. Not sure why it took them like almost a full year after me quitting their service to offer me that. I wish they would have offered it to me while I was doing my fixes. I even emailed them one time asking if they could offer that to me, and I was told no. So with the Style Pass, all I do is pay $50 and I get a year's worth of unlimited fixes. And that $50 will go towards something I purchased. So y'all, hopefully this video won't be too long, but I just want to give you my entire experience with my second try with StitchFix. So StitchFix has changed dramatically since I did it back maybe at the beginning of 2021. So now it's very similar to Nordstrom, where they give you a preview and let you take things out the box if you don't like them, which I'm very appreciative for. So, did StitchFix listen? What I asked for in this fix were just some tops. I said I don't need shoes, I don't need pants, I just need tops. When I got my StitchFix preview, 3 out of, I think there's 5 items in here, 3 out of the 5 items were pants. So initially I was extremely disappointed. Okay, not gonna lie, extremely disappointed. I was like, oh my gosh. Literally, they obviously did not read my note, because in my note I said specifically no pants, just tops please. And the majority of what they put in the box were pants. So I declined everything, sent them another note reminding them in all caps I did not want any pants. And my new fix is much more personalized. I swear to you, they finally read my note. I'm gonna unbox everything, I'm gonna show you what they sent me, and I'm gonna try it on, let you know my full opinions. There is something in here I am actually in the market for. If you saw my last Nordstrom Trunk Club box, they sent a green crop top, but it was a little too tight, and I was really scared that if I washed it just like one time, I wouldn't be able to wear it anymore. So hopefully they sent me also a green crop top, so I am looking forward to trying that on. So if you are interested in trying StitchFix, I will leave my code down below. My code is a $25 credit, so it will waive your styling fee. If you don't like anything in the box, you can just send it back risk-free. And if you do like something, you get $25 off. I'm really hopeful this second time around that they are listening. I think the preview is helping. Let's go ahead and unbox it. As always, I'm going to give you my real and honest thoughts. Let's see how they did. So since I just asked for tops, I knew my bundle would be pretty small. So here's how my bundle looks. These are all colors that I do love to wear, so I'm excited to show you what they sent. Let's go ahead and read my stylist note and figure out who my stylist is. I'm sure I have a new one since like the beginning of the year. If you're new to StitchFix, how this works is they will send you a little envelope, and inside that envelope it has a few things. This is one of them. it'll say, oh, hello, and it will fold out. And this is where they will show you everything they sent you along with outfit ideas. And then at the very top is your note from your stylist. So here is my note. It looks like my stylist name is Ashley. And let me show you what else they send you. They send you one of these handy dandy poly mailers. And I'm not gonna show you, but on the opposite side, it has your return postage on the back. So let's go ahead, let's read what Ashley said about what she sent me. She said, hello there, Alicia. Happy Fix Day. My name is Ashley, and I loved reading your profile and getting to know you through your unique style. I look forward to getting to know you even better during this partnership. Are you interested in trying some fun colors and patterns for winter? Color is so important, especially when it comes to seasons. What colors are you in love with? And what colors do you avoid? Today I sent items that you can easily wear for any occasion this year, focusing on different casual styles that you can easily transition into the winter season. The Maddison square neck knit bodysuit is comfy, trendy, and ready to layer under any winter or holiday style. Now y'all, I asked StitchFix for a year to send me a bodysuit. They never sent me one. In fact, in one of my fixes, if you guys remember, they said, we don't think a bodysuit would be great for your petite frame. Sorry, my sister just called me to let me know that my bubble tea cafe recommendation was absolutely disgusting. Anyway, like I was saying, I asked Stitch Fix over and over for a bodysuit, and they basically said, nah, we don't think that's great for your body. Like, wouldn't you send people stuff that they're asking for? I digress. I'm just saying, if you guys have been with me with my whole first year of Stitch Fix, you know they just would not listen to me. They literally sent me exactly the opposite of what I begged them to send me. So it's really funny that on this new fix, she sent me a bodysuit after a year of asking for one and being told no. Anyway, I now digress. Perfect for a young and trendy style with jeans or a skirt. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Let me know what you think. Your partner in style, Ashley. Ashley, I think you did a great job. Let me go ahead. I want to show you guys what all she sent me. You guys know my style. I've done these style unboxings for over a year now. I've done several. All right, so they said this was, oh, this is blue. Dang. Okay. So on my app, this looked green. This is definitely a blue crop top. This is from Free People Movement. I'm gonna leave everything down below, everything that they sent me. I'm not really disappointed. I like the color, but I was really hoping that they were sending me a green one. Maybe I just imagined that. I'm not really sure. Okay, this next item here, this is Bobeau. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. You know, I see this brand a lot at the thrift store. This is cute though. I like the neck. Let me show you. It's like a boat neck. Anyway, just a pink, really, really soft sweater. I think I'll like that. Here's the bodysuit that I'm super excited to try. This is very stretchy. 9 Britton. Again, I'm going to link everything down below. Anyway, just a square neck bodysuit. I totally think I'm going to like that one. I mean, honestly, this is, if I'm being honest, this is probably the best box I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. Like, a lot of this stuff are things I like. I don't like this, West Key. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like tank tops. I wouldn't wear that, so. But, I mean, for just one of the items to be something I don't really care for, I think it's amazing compared to my last Stitch Fix unboxings. Pink, just like an oatmeal ribbed sweater. I mean, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna try everything on and give you my thoughts. I'm really excited about the bodysuit. I think I'll like that. I need to figure out how much this is, this pink top, and then the crop top. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. All right, so here's this tank top. It's really tight, like right here at my chest. And then it just has kind of like this boxy look. Yeah, not really my style at all. All right, here is the Oatmeal Sweater. It's okay. It's just a really loose fitting sweater. Nothing really special about it. So yeah, I feel like I could find this at Goodwill. So, I mean, not saying it's a bad sweater or anything. I just feel like it's, you know, it's kind of boring. So let's see what else they sent me. Okay, so here is the pink top, and it has that boat neck right here. I think that's a really cute style. Pretty basic, just a pretty basic sweater. The sleeves are pretty long. I have to kind of like pull them down. I'm not really a fan when I have to do that, because then it just like, I have short arms already, and then when you like have to do that just to make it fit your arm, it just makes your arms look shorter. Also the fit, it's all just really boxy. I really like a more fitted look. So probably gonna skip on this one, but I do like this boat neck detail. So here's the bodysuit. I really like the square neckline. I think that's really cute. I like how fitted it is. It doesn't have like that boxy sweater look that a lot of the stuff in this box had. Yeah, it could definitely be a contender. What do you guys think about this one? All right, so here is the crop top. It's really short. I really like it. I was really, you know, expecting a green crop top for whatever reason. I'm gonna have to go on the app and see what the color looks like over there. Maybe I was just imagining the color. Now, I'm just planning to wear like a cardigan over this. So I do like how this has some detail right here. Obviously, my bra straps won't be showing when I wear something over it. But overall, I like the ribbing. I think it's a really cute top. So what did y'all think about my first Stitch Fix with round 2? I think it's a great fix, and also I think when you hear these prices, you're gonna be really impressed. So I think what I liked the most was the crop top. Even though it wasn't the color I was thinking it was going to be, I still really liked it. I think I can wear a cardigan over it. I can wear it outside, like laying out in the sun with the dogs. I just feel like I can wear it a lot. That was only 30 bucks. Again, I'm gonna link everything that came in this box in my description box. That way, if you wanna ask your stylist for something, you know the exact name. $30 for a free people top is a great price in my opinion. The bodysuit was $38. I'm just kind of wondering if I need another animal print bodysuit. I think I have 3 or 4 at this point. Not saying it wasn't a cute bodysuit. I do think it was a cute bodysuit. I just don't know if I need another animal print bodysuit. So we'll see. That beige oatmeal pullover, that was $46. It was a basic piece. Kind of boring. Not saying boring is bad. I have a ton of boring stuff in my wardrobe. I just don't need another one. So, you know. And yeah, $46 for that. I feel like I could get that at any Goodwill near me. So probably pass on that. That black cami, that was $40. I don't wear camis. Not even a big like polka dot print that had like gold polka dots. Wasn't really my style. Also, it didn't fit me correctly. Like, it was a little too tight on my chest, but then it was just very boxy. So I just didn't think it was a good look. And then the last, the boat neck knit topped, that was light pink. That was $54. I don't love it enough to spend $54 on that. Again, I didn't like the shape it gave me. I do like more fitted clothes. So you guys, let me know what you thought about this fix. I thought it was one of the best fixes I've had in a while, because even though I'm not buying everything, I probably would wear almost everything except that cami. Like, I own a oatmeal sweater similar to what she sent me. I own a pink sweater similar to what she sent me. I own like free people crop tops like she sent me. I own animal print bodysuits. So I feel like my stylist really did understand what I liked. I do look forward to hearing your comments about my round 2 Stitch Fix down below. Let me know if you are also giving Stitch Fix another try with all these changes that they've been making in the company. And I'm gonna leave my referral link down below, so if you guys want to try this risk-free, you can do so using my sign-up link. Thank you to everyone who has continued to sign up. Even though I haven't done Stitch Fix in quite some time, I still have credits left over. Those do expire, just an FYI, if anyone has credits, they do expire. So I figured, why not use those credits on the Style Pass and give this another try. So that's what I'm doing. Let me know if you were also giving Stitch Fix a second try. I give them 2 thumbs up. I think this was a good box. Look forward to hearing your opinions down below, and I'll see you tomorrow for a fun new video. Bye, y'all.